Hello guys, welcome back to my beauty, fashion and lifestyle channel. I am Josie Zoe, and guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today I decided to style my natural hair into a very cute low puff. But it seems I ended up adding some passion to it, hair extensions to it, and look at how it turned out. Isn't it cute? I'll take these braids down, but I'll show you what I'll be using for the style. I have my water bottle, my eco styling gel, the oil for my scarf, the flexi rods I'll be using for the curls in front, my hair cream, the hair growth cream and chapter 2000, my brushes, my white tooth comb and detangling brush, and also the hair extension. I used 12 strands of the fashion suit for this hairstyle, and my hair scarf and rubber band, some cute scrunchies. Before I unbraid, I oil my scarf to help easily in detangling of the hair, and also I use my chapter 2000 at the roots just to make the hair shiny.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah.
Oh, I miss my hair. I feel good. Da 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 da. Woohoo! So I'll apply the hair growth cream on the roots of my hair. Then I'll massage my scalp whilst finger detangling my hair, even before I use my detangling brushes and my white tooth combs. To begin with, I'll use my comb to make a middle part from the front to the back. Then I tie the two ends with my scrunchies, making it easier for me to take a very small strands in front, like what is being shown in the video, to be able to use my flexi rods to make the two cute curls as you saw in the preview of this video. Then we continue with the rest of the style. So stay tuned and enjoy this.
Feel it in my chest and I
Before I apply my gel, I mostly wet my hair so that the gel can easily hold the hair. And usually, I apply the gel like in sections. So I pat it and I apply the gel section by sections.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, play, right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body takes that. I should do know, but never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
While our low puff is ready, I'll be braiding it into 3 sections so it will be able to hold the hair extension in place so that your natural hair wouldn't show in the ponytail. Let me see it that way. Ponytail you'll be using on this hair. I'll be doing my baby hair, and after I'll cover it with a duku or a head wrap to keep the baby hair in place so they don't raise up. And also this same head wrap will help flat the roots of the hair down while I install this ponytail. So yeah, almost done. So the ponytail, I use a rubber band to hold the hair. So that same band was used to tie it around my natural hair and I hold it in place. To make sure you are not messing up the hair, I divided the hair into 2. So I take the first part and wrap it around the knots, making sure my natural hair wouldn't show. Then I do the same also with the next one. You can add some ornaments and clips to the ponytail if it looks so dull for you, so it becomes cute however you may want it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.
Thank you guys if you've been able to watch up to this part. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Give your comments if you want me to be giving you more of these hairstyles. Just let me know in the comments below. See ya.